Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we got deep fried crispy chicken. And they're going to be deep fried crispy chicken legs. And this is going to be a mukbang video. And I got the deep fried, this is going to be some peanut oil and versus the air fryer. So guys, tune in. And here's the chicken legs right here. Now what I did with this chicken leg, I put some mustard, prepared mustard on that. I put some about a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of perfect blend Sazon. Okay? And I put a tablespoon of mustard on that, if I didn't say that already. And my seasoning right here is just salt and pepper. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. So stay tuned in and I'll be right back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now you remember this mess, this mist stove right here? I call it the mess. You're going to pump that up. See how that mess sticking up the top, so it's a lot of pressure in it now. We're going to go ahead and start with our chicken. It's going to probably be like 5 pieces of chicken legs. We're going to take this, place it in the bag, one at a time. We're just going to get that shit. Like that. Okay? We're going to open that bag up again. Probably do 2 of them. While the other one in there. Check it up. Okay. We're going to go in there and take that out. Shake it off the excess. Place it in the pan. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll probably get about 4, 5. If I get this little piece or something, put that one in there. If you guys new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. I try to put up 3 delicious recipes every week. So normally I'll be putting them up on where we start out with Wednesday, then Friday, and Sunday. Okay? That's those. They're in there now. Alright, I'm gonna walk. So you just spray that on here. Like I said, you may want to go get you a different sprayer. This one doesn't work that great to me. See that? I would like a big mist come out of mine, but see, it don't spray that good to me. Alright? Alright, I'm going to turn that over. See, I gotta go pump it again. I don't know the big deal. You still putting, well, it's olive oil, peanut oil, olive oil, whatever. That's what I use. You can use any type of oil you want to, really, pretty much. But that's typically what I use, is peanut oil. Okay, spray down. We're gonna go ahead and put this in there. I'll see you over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the air fryer. This is a Ninja air fryer. You want to slide this sucker up in there, like so. Make sure it's in there properly. Temperature. It started at 390 or 400. It goes up. So 400 is the highest this goes. So I'm gonna come down to about 375. Alright, and we're going to start time. We say 20 minutes and we'll see how that works. Okay? And we'll push start. And let that go. Alright? So let's go ahead and get started on them deep fried chicken legs. Okay guys, I almost forgot. I dropped the chicken before I let you guys see what's going on. Okay, I put them in the flour. I'm going to cook like 3 of these at a time. There's 2 of them in there already. So sorry about the noise. I know it's kind of loud. Guess what? The eye ain't even on. So my grease is going while I was talking. So I'm gonna turn this back on medium low. Right there. It looks like I can fit another one in there, so I'm gonna pick this bag up. Like so. And drop another. Alright. That's it for now. See how these bad boys turn out. I'll be back. Okay guys, let's have a little look at this chicken. We put this on pause. So we need to flip something. My tongue's over here. Already turning out pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and flip it. I have to tear all the crust off. Okay. Put that back in there. Turn that back on. Let that finish cooking. Let's go ahead and have a look-see at deep fried chicken. Multitasking up in here today. Okay. Looks like it's going good. Go around. So we're just gonna go ahead and let this chicken cook, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. And what I'm gonna do, because I don't want y'all to think I'm cheating, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the chicken. Use the air fryer. Air fried chicken. And you do fry it. Now one more piece frying. And I'll be taking that out momentarily. Now we're back. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and do a mukbang on this. Soon my daughter get out the bathroom. So remember, just in case you guys forgot, this is the air fryer and this is the deep fryer. Okay, I got some hot sauce right here. Got some bread. This right here is the rice-a-roni. I like to put a little extra vegetables of mine. And we're going to go ahead and get started as soon as she get back. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I got my assistant, Kiana. She's going to join me with the mukbang. Get the, see how everything going to taste. We'll just scoop that to the side. This is the air fryer. And this is the deep fryer. We have some bread and some hot sauce just in case. Because the thing goes south.
So this is the air fryer, you say?
No,
this is
the air fryer.
Air fryer? Okay.
And this is the deep fryer.
Okay.
Right here.
All
so
right.
I'm going to go ahead and try mine out because I'm hungry.
You're going to try that, so you're going to try the deep fryer?
Yeah, I'm going to try this one out first. Which one you want to try?
I'll try the air. Well, we might as well just try the same way.
That's fine with me. Okay, you want to go first?
Yeah.
You want a piece of bread with it?
No, I'm good.
I'm going to take a piece of bread because mine didn't make me extremely hot. So, a little hot sauce on mine. Right into it. Too bad.
Oh yeah, loud.
Huh?
Okay. Well, I mean, it's good. It's risky. Or the seasonings will be like, I don't know. Does that like affect the seasoning? The air fryer?
I don't know. We will see. Well, it's done deep fry. I don't want to try. Don't want to stop. Taste real good. This would be a good recipe for you guys to check out. I highly recommend the deep fry. Now I had the when I made the chicken wings. Did you have some of those?
What is that?
It was a while back. I don't know, about what, a week ago or something.
Were they lemon? Like lemon?
No. It was just air fried chicken wing. Crispy air fried chicken wing.
Maybe I have had them then. I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't think I told you about it.
Oh,
I
those
think
were
it was
air
in
fried?
school.
I think I had a piece. I don't know.
Okay, I think this is about enough. I'm gonna eat off the real one. Because then you take real good down to the bone for me. Garbage over there. I'm gonna go in with the air fryer. That's a big piece. See how that tastes.
It takes me a while to eat chicken, so.
No, it don't take me no time. I'm gonna go in right into it.
I'm gonna try the one the same time. You ever set that down?
Well, a little crunch to it. It's not as crunchy, but it's tolerable. They're both moist.
This is the same recipe?
Yes, it's the same recipe.
Wow.
Will it taste better?
I noticed a huge difference with this one.
What's your difference?
Like, just the taste is just completely different compared to the deep fryer. Like, it has a different, completely, like, tang to it. It's not like the deep fryer at all. Let me get another bite of the deep fryer. It's so different. This has more, like, spice to it, the air fryer.
So would you say the spices cook off more when you deep fry it?
Yeah, it seems that way, yeah. What? Oh wait, what did you put it
It
with?
tastes pretty good.
It tastes really. I think I prefer the air fryer actually, because the deep fryer is really good though. But I just like, depending on like your taste, if you like, because it's not as crunchy as the deep fryer. I mean, like with the deep fryer, it tastes like any regular, like, it just tastes like regular chicken. But like with the air fryer, it takes the taste to like a different like level. It's a lot better. I'm at that. So yeah, this is the that's the deep fryer, and this is the one that I had. This is the air fryer. It's really good. Yeah, it's not like crunchy or anything. Like how chicken usually is when it's deep fried. And honestly, like, it just depends on your like personal taste. I don't like. It doesn't really matter if chicken is crunchy to me, honestly. But I like this one better because of the taste. It just tastes completely different. Like, it tastes like chicken, but like, I mean, it's chicken, but like, I don't really think about it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just so different tasting.
I'm done with that one.
I'm still eating one.
So, lick my knuckle.
This is just how I eat too. I eat chicken like this all the time, so it's not like I'm just weird.
Here's the thing. Although this is crispier, this is more flavorful.
Yeah.
For me. This one tastes good as heck too, don't get me wrong, but that one tastes twice as good as this one, but less crisp on that one. And it's more tender and juicier.
Yeah, this one is, and this is way too.
Not to say this is not juicy, because it is, but this one I think it holds the juice in the meat more. So this one. I'm saying that, you say this, I hope you guys gonna subscribe to the channel. It's my baby girl Key. And what's your other girl name?
Vlogs, Key and M. And today we're going to Chicago. We're gonna go look for some swimming suits for when we go to Myrtle Beach for spring break.
Yep, and we're gonna vlog about that too, so.
Hey everyone, it's Key and M. And today we have the Whisper Challenge for you. We actually did this Whisper Challenge before, but... So yeah, that's our channel. So
I spent hours looking at it, so not to say I was looking for any boy or anything like that, but cause I trust her, but it's interesting. We went to Canada. You went to what, Myrtle Beach?
We have the Myrtle Beach vlog and the Canada vlog, and we also I mean, there's like different places we went to when we were at Myrtle Beach, so we did a lot of different things.
The Mall of America.
Oh yeah, we were at the Mall of America, and we were also at another mall. I can't remember. I think it's called I can't remember. It's on there, but we went to a couple of different malls, and the Mall of America was really cool. In Minnesota, it was really cool.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go ahead and wrap it up.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching Dogg's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, leave a like, and then comment down below and tell us what you think. Try out the recipes; they're really good. Try out if you have an air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you should really like invest in one. I think it's really good, especially if you like, you know, the taste more than like the crunch of it, you know, when it comes to chicken. And a deep fryer is also good. But try out the recipes; they're really good. And when you do try them out, leave a comment down below and tell Dogg what you think. I personally like the air fryer; it's really good. But yeah, share the video. Share the video. Let everybody know about Dogg's Kitchen because he makes really good food, bomb food. And
not because she's my daughter.
But like seriously, he works so hard on these videos. He does such a good job. I used to like edit and do the videos. He does it all by himself now. He's so like hard.
She trained me.
But he like learned. He did all of this on his own. He does such a really good job, and he works really hard. So please support this channel. He does such a good job, and he makes really good food. But anyway, yeah, leave a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell too, so you're notified when he makes more videos. And I'll see you later.
All right, in a minute, Dogg, Key, signing out.